Hey guys, today we got a older unit. It's a hop cap. Fits the 88 to 98 Chevy GMC trucks with an 8-foot bed. It's pewter in color. It was like a teal green at one point in time. That's been changed to pewter. It is an older unit, and it doesn't look horribly bad, but it does have some issues. There was some eyelets put in the side, probably to lift it off in the barn or something like that. Does have some scratches on the top here and here. A couple more there. And you can see that the color underneath it was the teal green. There you go. Another eyelet there in the front. You can see where the color is kind of coming through, where the paint is chipped off there. Little scratches right there. More scratches there. Looks good. Paint looks good through there anyways. Does have the half side sliders on the side. Front sliding window. Couple nicks right there. Little scratch right there. Scratch right there. Couple nicks. You can see where probably wasn't prepped really well on the edges when they painted it. Sliding window in the front. The window slides open. Allows access into the cap from the cab, and the cab from the cap. Closes back up like so. Side looks about the same as the other side. Has some paint issues, some scratches and stuff on the side. Has an eyelet there as well, so it's got one in each corner. So said more than likely it was for lifting it. Another eyelet. One nice thing about the color, it's not really hard to see where the scratches are at. Couple right there. Half side sliders on this side as well. Double T-handle locking rear door. And a couple scratches right there. Put new locks in it. Locks or T-handles and mechanisms underneath there. This is all brand new on both sides. Here's the keys to it. Screens on this side. Could use a new screen. It's got a big hole tear in the side right there. Other than that spot, it's not bad. Doesn't look bad other than that giant big hole right there. This side, not bad at all. Top cap. And serial number's gone. There it is. It's a hop cap. Cab high model. It's 88 to 98 Chevy truck. With an 8-foot bed. Chevy GMC trucks. That's pewter in color. Below is a link to this unit on our website, so you can click that link, see which location it is, how much it is. Purchase it online, make arrangements, pick it up. That can all be done from that link there. There's also a link on our website, or to our website in general. So if you're just looking for cap repair parts, clamps, tapes, seals, locks, bed storage solutions, ladder racks, lift kits, those are all available on our site as well. So you can click that link, go to our site, type in the search bar what you're looking for, and we'll get it shipped out to you right away. Look, if you're looking for something specific for your truck, a certain cap style, brand, color, height, bed size, what have you, we upload our used inventory to YouTube and our website as soon as the inventory comes in. So you want to hit the subscribe button to stay up to date on inventory as it gets here. As with all our truck caps, they're local pickup only. We do not ship these. You need to make arrangements to pick these up at one of our locations. Thanks for watching.